Welcome to the class of Introduction to Bioinformatics Section M. I am Farhana Sharmin, lecturer of Computer Science and Engineering Department. This is today's class will be discussed on Markov chain model. We will be focused on how to design a Markov chain model. This is the Markov chain model. Markov chain model is defined by set of vertex or states, which we can see clearly in the picture. There is A, G, C and T, which belongs with beginning state and end state. Each state will be associated with all of the states, and there will be also self-loops. Markov chain model actually transition probabilities will be find out with the probability of states. When we are actually calculating the probability transition, there may be beginning to each state can be divided with the probability like this 1 by 4. Here we can see that there are 4 particles or states in there clearly. So as the whole probability or total probability is 1 will be divided by 4. So it will be 0.25 in the probability. Total probability will be 1. Total probability 1 will be divided by the each state. It will be divided by 4. 4 state, and then it will be 0.25. Suppose this, if there is three states or 3 vertices, then it will be divided by 1 by 3. 1 by 3 will be 0.33. You got it, class? Yes, yes, yes. Okay. If there is 5 states, then it will be divided by 5. So it will be 1 by 5 divided by how many? How many? If we divide 1 by 5. 0.20. Right. You got the class. Thank you. So we will be calculate the probability of a sequence of the Markov chain model. In the scenario, you see there will be a chart given in there, ACZT and ACZT transition calculation there will be. You see there is 1 by 1 is 0.18. So there will be ongoing like probability of C by A is 0.27. So there is given a state or transition there, CZZT. We will calculate the path. So if we calculate the path of the probability, then if we define like this, from beginning state to C state, then C states to Z state, there is 2Z. So Z will be circulating the self loop, then it would be going to T state, then it will be ending state. So if we want to calculate the state, it will be like this. If we see the total calculate of the probability of given sequence, you can see they are given the sequence C, Z, Z, T. So if we started from there, P, C by begin. So first state is begin and second state is your C. So C will be divided by begin state. It will be always next state will be divided by first previous state. So C divided by begin. So if we go to the next state, it will be or next path C to C transition. So clearly we can see this is the previous state and this is the next state. So if we see the current state to next state, then it will be divided by T. Next state will be divided by current state. So it will be clearly shown is there. Probability will be C by C. Like on, it will be go by this C by C. Then it will be go by T by C. Then it will be go by N by T. Did you understand the class? Yes. If we could show it Z by C, then again we see that T by Z. It will be like T by Z, 0.12. Clearly you see that 0.12. Then the last state, which is the same to the beginning state. So there will be the T by N. It will be same as the previous value, which is 0.25, because there are 4 state or 4 vertices in there. Okay. So if we calculate the whole total value, it will be 0.0007659. So this transition will be like various transition will be shown there. Like see, if we see the transition in there, we can give in there A, G, C, C, T, Z. This is the of D. If we calculate the A, Z, C, C, T, it will be different state of value. Okay, got that class?
Yes.
Okay. So do you have any question?
I have a question. How can we calculate for more than 4 vertices?
Okay. If we have like see that more than 4 parties, there is A, G, C, T. If we given there is A, B, Z, C, T, 5 parties, then it will be 1 divided by 5, which is 0.20. Did you understand the class? Or if there is 3 parties, then it will be 0.33. Okay. Any question?
Yes, ma'am. I have a question. Ma'am, how can you calculate the accurate path for more than 5 or 6 sequence?
Okay, if you see there are 4 sequences given there, C, Z, C, T. But in your question there can be 6 parties, A, G, C, C, T, C. Some students do some mistakes in their question answering script. They thought if there is 6 transition is gone there, so there must be 6 parties. Don't be complicated or don't make it hesitate in there. There always will be 4 parties. If there is 4 parties or 4 states, there will be always 4 states. So in there, A, G, C, C, T, G, there is also is 4 state or 4 parties. Come in this slide here. We are calculating A, G, G, A, C, G, G, T, C, T. So it will be start like they begin to A to C, C to Z, Z to Z, Z to Z, T, then it will be in like this. Okay. So here clearly we can see this. Next, any question in there?
How can we calculate the table if the table is given in our question paper?
And the table will be given in your question paper. You can see there are some values given in there. If we want to calculate like this, I previously demonstrate you. If we got that G by C, look, C by C. So there will be like vertically Z to C. Then it will be 0.27. Don't do it like this, Z by C. Then it will be another value. Don't mistake it. Did you understand the class? We should be going like this, Z by C. Okay, any question? Okay, thank you class. Thank you. Thank you very much.